I'm filming them.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're back at you with another video. Today we're gonna record this car. We're in the ditch right now.
They get no license plate. There's a truck coming.
I've been actually practicing driving this in the ditch.
So as you can see, it's top speed.
12 miles.
It can go 12 miles per hour. Faster than the speed limit in here.
Yeah, the speed limit in here is 10.
10. Yeah, we're just gonna go.
Yeah, there is.
Here.
Got a car.
Here.
Huh? 7. Yeah. Woohoo!
So you'll be graduated from school before I am, because I'm in 6th.
Wait, what?
I'm in 6th and you're in 7th. You were born in 2004?
5.
2005, early 2005. I'll go get you. I'm coming for you. Wait.
Psych! It's 2-wheel drive.
Yeah, we do better with backwards driving. Made it. Toe made it. Backwards.
Skateboarding.
Yeah, we're just gonna record this thing driving around here. He got this for his birthday. That was a few weeks ago, or like 1 week ago. 1 week ago, right? It was your birthday. Like on Sunday last week, and he actually got $60 for his birthday. He let me spend the last of it on an Elvis Presley car.
Elvis Presley car?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Oh, ow. See right over there's my house. There.
God, this thing needs more torque. Oh no! It's gonna attack me! Did I dead?
Is it? Yeah. Oh, ow.
Ow! Ow! Hey, Daddy just touched it for me.
Oh. No car like Spider Car. People are just looking at us. Yeah, what's this car called again?
Storm Circuit.
It's the Storm Circuit. We got it from Toys R Us. Sorry.
We're gonna do some burnouts!
Yeah. The wheels are dirty.
Already.
Look at that burnout. It'll make you get fired. I was watching on YouTube the other day. There was a car that me and Aiden, or Aiden and I, we like.
Tyler, did you see that on YouTube where that dog was laying on the couch?
Huh?
And someone pooted? And the other said, did you just poop? And I swear to God. And someone said, I didn't fart. I swear it's what that dog said.
I saw it. But we like to watch cars on YouTube, like monster trucks. Yeah, both of us are into Monster Jam, right, Aiden?
Yeah.
What's your favorite monster truck?
I'd probably have to say that Blade.
That's mine too.
But if you guys seen the Monster Truck movie, I like the one with Preacher in it.
Yeah, that's the fictional monster. Really.
I am the one.
But I'm gonna flip this over real quick. And we saw this video where there were hydraulics on a car. And they were just there was no one in the car, but the hydraulics were going
I
off.
saw a hydraulic bus.
You did? What's the video called? I gotta see that. Oh, oh, it drifted.
Oh God.
But I was also I'll just look up hydraulic bus. But yeah, I was also watching Burnouts, and in the car, it was burning out for like a minute or two straight. And then like and they started driving, and the wheels caught fire. Like they were burning rubber and all that, and the wheels caught fire.
Oh wow, I'm actually having.
And they started driving with fire on the wheels, and it was cool. Yeah, man. Doesn't it sound like some futuristic car or something?
What, with the type of battery it has?
Yeah.
But I'm surprised it's actually staying like on the ditch wall.
Yeah, Omar though, he said he would do a what is it called? A face reveal at 10 subscribers with me. So anything up, I do the face reveal. He doesn't, and he's still hiding his face to this day. Not even trying to reveal his face. I've already told him 10 subscribers, and he said no. I guess he doesn't want to be on YouTube. But when we do get money off YouTube, we're gonna split it 50-50, right, Aiden? And if we get like $100, we're gonna both get $50. And if I get $50, I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna buy? The RC Gravedigger.
Well, I've seen.
Yeah, it was like an RC remote-controlled Gravedigger from New Bright. And
Yeah, this thing also has suspension, so it's able to do a lot of jumps.
yeah, it can actually, with one wheel down, still drive, right?
Probably, maybe.
No, I mean like with like holding it down, it can still drive. Holding like one of the wheels down, it can. Or no, it can grabbing the wheel and holding it up, it can still
It
drive.
will still be on 3 wheels.
Yeah, it'll just still be on 3 wheels.
All independent suspension.
Independent suspension.
I think it's fine.
And we've been going on with this for 6 minutes or 7 minutes.
Tell me about the battery time.
Oh, I don't want to get license plate number.
You can't see it.
You can't see it. I forgot about that. You can't see it. That's why we decided to come out in the ditch because.
There's really no cars to talk about.
Yeah. And besides, the road he lives on, there's a bunch of cars on it. And at any moment you can actually accidentally get a license plate number. It's one of the main reasons, other than trouble with YouTube, I didn't upload videos for a while. Because it's either I got license plate numbers or...
Put it up.
oh, yeah, sorry. It's either we got license plate numbers or we got... Or we didn't and then we had trouble, or we did both. Pretty much the reason. But yeah.
This thing sort of has a little bit of a...
Show the independent suspension. Put it on the ground and
I
show.
mean, it does have independent.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah. But see, look, this is, I call it less, or something torque syndrome. Look, watch.
One wheel still going.
I can hold one wheel.
Yeah.
And the other one will spin.
But we're just gonna play. But one not good thing about the ditch is we can't do stunts in it. But like, plus that speed bumps on his road, and we can actually jump the speed bumps, right?
Yeah, but see, this sort of gives it that wall climbing.
Yeah.
It gives it a little bit of wall climbing effect.
Kind of an off-road car.
Oh, it's dead.
Yeah.
It's blinking.
This ran out of batteries.
But we will do another video on it soon.
Actually, it lasted 9 minutes.
Oh,
Or
wow.
like close to 9 minutes at least.
Alright, so
But
we're going to end the video.
We're gonna end the video off, and we're gonna do 2 more videos today, probably.
Probably, maybe.
Yeah, probably. One is Star Wars Saturday. I know we have been. I'm about to go tell my dad that we're gonna upload another video real quick. Get a head start. I'll come back with you. Okay, Aiden? I'll just stay here. I'm about to go tell my dad. But this is me, and this is Aiden signing off. Adios, amigos.